All right, money makers. This is your boy Duran. As always, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. We are going to be going over skits where you can make money as a content creator. You can have any niche you want to be in, whether it be a home, DIY projects, or building, construction homes, whatever niche you want to be in, funny memes, pranks, all of these niches that you want to be in. Pranks, particularly, is a popular niche because who doesn't like seeing somebody, having a prank on that's really funny sometimes. So you can pretty much be in whatever niche you want to be in the mental health space or whatever, and you can post pay and get paid. Now you do have to have a certain subscribers, probably 10,000 or more, and a couple of like 100,000 views, just to get into their partner program. But you can make up to grand a month if you play your cards right. It's really, it's really unique. Um, it's a really unique opportunity to do this. Discover real stories, pure, uninterrupted, the hidden fun, real and raw videos, unfiltered and uncensored. Embrace real moments from real people. So it's a real life app. You want to get out and film yourself, maybe pranking people in real life, or doing mental health counseling people. Um, I think it's you got to really get creative. Maybe if you don't want to be in the mental health space, maybe say pretend like you're a counselor and counseling people or something like that, and do that. Get really creative because you got to be different from the crowd. You got to really get creative in order to get these views because they're not going to come to you. YouTube is not going to promote you if the first set of 50 people is not going to like your video. They're not going to continue to promote you. Or in this platform, it's the same way. The more people that watch it, the more ways they're going to push it out, and the more ways you'll be able to get those likes and those followers. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. You can earn up to 8 grand a month. Let me know if some of you guys ever did this one before. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.